Hello students, in this video I will explain the topic vertex cover problem. So before start vertex cover problem, I would like to explain the topic graphs. So generally what is a graph? Graph is collection of nothing but vertices and edges. So what are the vertices in this graph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the vertices, and these lines or these links which are connecting, which are used to connect the vertices, these are called edges. So simply a graph can be defined as, graph is nothing but collection of vertices and edges. So in this graph we have all 7 vertices and some number of edges are there which are used to connect the vertices. And one thing you have to observe here, all the edges are here undirected. So that's why this graph is called an undirected graph. So vertex cover problem is totally related to an undirected graph like this. And coming to the problem, it can be defined as the vertex cover problem of an undirected graph is to find minimum subset of vertices that covers all the edges. For suppose this is an undirected graph. In this graph we have to take the minimum number of vertices, and that subset of vertices should cover all the edges of this graph. So this is a simple problem. So given this is an undirected graph, and just observe here, vertex 1 and the degree of vertex 1 is 2. What is the degree of vertex? Degree of vertex is nothing but, for suppose 1 is a vertex here, and how many edges are connected here to vertex 1? This is one edge and this is second edge. So 2 edges are connected to vertex 1. So we can write the degree of vertex 1 is 2. So similarly coming to vertex 2, how many edges are connected? 1, 2 and 3. So we can write vertex 2 degree value is 3. So degree of a vertex can be defined as, it is a numeric value and that indicates the number of connected edges of a vertex. So similarly I have written all the degree of vertices here from 1 to 7 vertices. Degree of 1 is 2, degree of 2 is 3, like that 7 vertices degree values are I have written here. And coming to the solution, so this is our graph, this is our undirected graph, and these numbers are nothing but the degree values of all vertices. Degree of 1 is 2, degree of 2 is 3, like that. And coming to the procedure or solution, the first step is remove the maximum degree vertex in the above graph and remove all its associated edges. So first of all, find out the maximum degree vertex here. So what is the maximum degree vertex here? 4. That is vertex 3 is having maximum degree value, that is 4. So simply remove vertex 3 and all its connected edges from this graph. So like this, vertex 3 is having the maximum degree in this graph. So remove this vertex and all the connected edges of vertex 3. So finally I have removed here vertex 3 and these dotted edges. These are called these are nothing but removed edges in that graph. So I have removed 4 edges here which are connected to vertex 3. Now the graph is like this. This is the second step. And next, after removing after removing the edges which are connected to the vertex 3, this is the next step. And in this step again update the values of degrees of vertices. So in this, vertex 1 is having degree value 2, 2 is having 2. So just observe one thing, after removing the vertices in the first step, compulsory update the values of degree of all vertices. That means it is compulsory step. So update the degree values of all vertices. Again find out the maximum degree vertex. So here 1, 2 and 5, 3 vertices are having the same vertex and which is maximum, that is 2. So you can remove 1 vertex or 2 number vertex or 5 number vertex. So I am removing the vertex, I am selecting vertex 5 to remove its associated edges. So I am removing the edges which are connected to 5 also. So 5 to 6 there is an edge, so this is removed, and 5 to 2. So totally I have removed 2 edges here. In the previous step I have removed 4 edges which are connected to vertex 3, and in the second step I have removed 2 edges which are connected to vertex 5. So finally in the last step again update the values of in degrees. So Here in the final step we are having only 3 vertices. Those are 1, 2 and 4, and the degree values are like this. Vertex 1 degree value is 2, and for 2 and 4 vertices the degree value is 1 only. So select vertex 1 and remove its associated edges. That means 1, 2 edge is removed, and remove 1, 4 edge also. So this is the last step. So in this step we have removed all the edges in that graph. So this is the subset. That means in the first step we have selected 3 vertex number 3, and we removed all the edges connected to the 3 vertex. And in the second step we have selected 5 vertex and we have removed all the edges which are connected to 5, and in the final step we selected 1 to remove the edges. So this is the subset. What is the subset here? 3, 5, 1. So only 3 steps are used here. Within 3 steps only we can find out the solution of vertex cover problem of this graph. How many vertices are there? Totally 7 vertices are there, but we have selected the subset like this: 3, 5, 1. So this is the solution of vertex cover problem. Thank you.